Islam is a religion that is followed by 1.8 billion followers in the world today. Islam is also one of the fastest growing religions in the world. Islam is based on 5 pillars, and one of the pillars of Islam is fasting in the month of Ramadan. Muslims throughout the world will be fasting throughout the month of Ramadan. The question is, what motivates Muslims to fast in this month? What moves them? What is Islam? What do Muslims believe? Have you ever wondered what the inside of a mosque looks like? You might have some misconceptions and doubts that you need clarifying. This is a great opportunity for you to visit the Islamic Society of Baltimore, your local mosque, with your friends, your families, your co-workers, to learn what the inside of a mosque looks like and what Muslims believe. The Muslims of the Islamic Society of Baltimore would like to invite you to join them, to tour the mosque, to learn more about their faith, and to break fast with them. You're all invited. See you all there. Thank you.